Hey guys, welcome back to the Gymnastic Girls. So,
This is not gymnastics.
yeah, this is not a gymnastics. So Monday, Wednesdays, and Sundays are going to be vlog days. And Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and Saturday are going to be gymnastics days. So we went to Target, and me trying to film the whole experience was absolutely horrible. So, yeah, I'm just going to pull them out. And my mom, I had her look at the squishy, so if you see it open, it's just because my mom looked at it. So I'm going to pull this off because I don't need it. And it's from Squish Delish. And you can find these by the fidget spinners. And
Target.
Yeah, Target, any type of Target. So what I'm really...
I'm doing a video too.
Yeah. So the one that I'm going for that I really want to, let me find it. This one. I really want the panda. I'm not looking. Yeah. So.
Hello, look at my Twitch channel. So today,
Whoa!
guys, look what my sister got. You want to see what my sister got?
Oh, this is a squishy that I got.
I don't want to tell you what. We're just going through Squishies. I gotta find
So this is from Squish Delish, made in China, 2017. So it just came out this year.
Got it. We literally just.
So like, look, if I tap it, like I'm gonna do like a
Right. So
little tap.
we're just opening them. It was like a hard time.
Like it's like a little.
I know they're
like
open
that.
because my mom looked through them. Same with my Squish Delish. So,
I also looked through them with her.
yeah. So I
My
looked through yours.
But then you already knew about it.
And
And what? She
I thought
acted
I-
excited. So let's move on to that.
Okay. So anyway,
So I know what this is.
It's already
It's brain pussy, and like I said,
Whoa.
my mother took it off.
Before I look at it, I'm gonna show you guys.
Ew. Poke it.
Ew, it's so hard. Okay, so. Oh my god, the little lamb! This is like
I opened that for mommy.
You know how mad I am right now?
Hey, at least you got one. So this
This is so
is brain
adorable.
putty,
So yeah,
and it's
our mom picked
metal.
ours, things will be clean.
Oh, which means it's medium
Alright, so
to.
we have our Squish Delish. I'm so
So
excited.
it's
I'm
glitter
so
and it's
pumped over
metallic.
this. Alright, so
Choking hazard. So
oh my god, I got the same one as you.
what? Oh, you.
I got a different color than her.
You got like a mint color, but mine is so much worse than rising.
Let's see who wins. Ready? 3, 2, 1, go. Wait, what was
It's like
Ready?
only a
30
30
Let's do it
seconds.
again. 3, 2, 1, go.
You held it like.
Alright, ready?
Hold on, let me go. Let me. We're gonna do a
Alright,
challenge.
we're
real
done.
quick.
Okay.
We are done. We didn't
I'm
actually
really
do a challenge. But
Set.
this is awesome.
Beautiful.
It's
And I
like
also got
it's
this other
shapeable,
squishy.
and you guys don't know how mad I am. I wonder if I added lotion to it.
I don't even know where my panda bear one is.
Oh, you mean your panda bun? Oh, it's in that drawer, the left one.
Not this.
There's a panda bun in there. Yeah, we got squishies. Do you guys want me to go get my squishies?
Got it.
Okay.
You
Squishies.
guys do not know how obsessed
I am,
I
and
am.
we are with
With squishies.
squishies.
I'm obsessed with this panda.
So
one.
I'm gonna
I'm so
try to
happy I got another panda.
squishies.
I also have this cake so slow rising. Like, whoa! I got this teddy bear we split in half, my friend. So anyway, hold on, pause. I know you put my. I know what you did.
What?
You put my paw print in the freezer.
No, I didn't.
No, I did. I put my paw print in the freezer.
I'm just kidding.
I always don't be extra slow rising.
Did you find it?
No. I'm eating an ice cube. You want an ice cube, Jalen?
No, thank you.
Ow.
I'm not lying.
He's sick.
Yeah, I got one stuck to my tongue at Riley Bona's house
When?
when we went over, because me and her used to study. And
Oh, yeah. Okay. So, let's open up our second package.
you watched my video.
Okay. So, I'm going to open it.
Ew. It's like,
Open this. Okay.
that is all I got, but if you want to see my sister's stuff of what she showed so far,
Okay.
give me the lamb. Lamb. So this is a Hatchimal that my mom.
Oh my god, it's a pig covered in
It's
a
a fairy lamb.
Oh,
Oh, I want that.
I know, I love pig. You don't know how obsessed I'm with pandas and pigs. Like, I want to have a pig as like that. Alright, so, just sticking to the table. Okay. Wow.
Then she got the same one as me, but in a mint.
Alright, so
This is a panda bun that she didn't have, but she bought. Then this giant jumbo slice. Then this is the one I want, and that she got for me.
Oh my god, Sophia has this one, Jalen.
Oh my gosh! Look, ready? First squeeze on cam.
First squeeze on cam.
Then she cut this one in half because it's a cousin squishy
Of all
tray.
times, it smells so
I like
good.
it. It's really.
I
I love this.
I'm eating it right now.
Ew! Don't actually bite it.
This is so cute. My friend Sophia and Jen's friend Sophia has it. Alright. That's really all, but we have jeez. Oh, I don't
So
we
yeah,
have one
I'm gonna
more
re-show
thing.
you that.
It is slime, $1 at Target. All this stuff Target except for the cake, teddy bear, and panda one.
We bought those separate.
Yeah, no, we got that for free.
Yeah.
Okay. So, whoa.
But we got
it's
those
like
separate.
a mixed color, guys. It's blue mixed with it.
Ew!
It's gonna
Why
look
are
so
they?
ugly.
Look at him turn.
What?
Ha, that's funny. You know, actually, the one I was hoping for was an actual ice cream.
It's like a greenish bluish.
What a coincidence, guys. This is a spoof. And I knew that I had this one. That's why I said I wanted that one. I knew that I had this and what it felt like. I knew what my sister got. Because I did open it. And hers is a spoof, too. She opened them. This is a whole spoof. And if you guys don't like spoofs, I will do a video if you comment. And subscribe. So,
So
anyway,
this
this is
whatever
my
color.
squishy.
Sorry,
This is
but
my
it was a spin.
brain.
This
This is my just sister's squishes. I don't have time to show you. But
Hey, my ice cube.
good for you.
Okay, so I had this one.
But anyway, thank you for watching
Beautiful.
the
This one's
Gymnastic
clear too.
Girls.
Very much-
And make sure you subscribe. And make sure you like it. And make sure you comment. And hit that bell. Okay, so bye.
So let's put